Now hush, look around. A mess, isn't it?
They said it was a sewer. The Daleks don't generate much in the way of waste. So what is all then?
Decaying Daleks. Daleks can't die. Genetically hardwired to keep on living, whatever happens. But they still age, poor loves.
Over time, the body breaks down, rots, liquefies. Interestingly, the Dalek word for sewer is the same as their word for graveyard.
What's happening?
I knew exactly what you were doing and I let you do it. You transmitted regeneration energy into every Dalek on this planet, every single one.
What have you done?
One word, no, two words actually. First word, moron. Second word, sewers. Generations of Daleks just woke up very close and they are coming up the pipes. Or to put it another way, bye.
After the Doctor escaped the events of the Witch's Familiar, we now return to Skaro to see what Davros did next, and more importantly, who he called next.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Shadow Proclamation.
Is the Shadow Proclamation plumbing and repair?
Yes, sir, how can we help you?
Yes, well, you could say I have a small situation, and I need a plumber to come out straight away to fix it.
Is it your bathroom, your kitchen, or your garage, sir?
Yes.
Oh, yes? Yes, which one?
Yes.
Kitchen, bathroom, and garage?
Oh, yes.
Fine, sir. We'll send someone out momentarily. What is your name and where you're located?
Yes. My name is Davros. I am located at 1 billion Collar Lane, 1963. That's right on New Skaro, Tower A. A as in annihilate!
There's going to be a surcharge to travel out that far.
Yes, that's fine.
And we bill if our plumber gets exterminated on the premises, accidental or otherwise. Understood?
There was an accident last time. Fine. It's fine.
All right, then. He'll be there between 1 minute and 300,000 minutes from now. So, stay by your door.
I hate that. I mean, I know I'm in a support unit, but I have plans. I have planets. Oh, they are here. They are good.
Yeah, Mr. Ross. Dave Ross?
No.
Really? Well, do you know this guy?
That is my kid brother, Dave Ross. But I, however, am Davros.
Oh, Dad, is that Greek?
No.
Well, I came to expect the plumbing. All right, so sorry I was late, but I had trouble finding Tower A with it being collapsed and all. Anyway, just so you know, I charged a flat assessment fee for this appointment. Holy stingle, what in the Mary Crap will happen here?
Oh, is it that bad?
Man, this is DEFCON 5, return to sender, do not pass go! I've seen nuclear waste humps cleaner than this.
I just thought, a little bit of mopping, pipe adjustments, it's only the result of a small party.
What the hell kind of party you have here, man? Why cancel and Chinook shindig with X-Lax chasers?
Yes.
If the sight isn't bad enough, the smell. Forgive me, it smells like the grave in here.
Well, you're not wrong.
Look, man, you're not gonna need a plumber. You're gonna need a miracle worker, a whole team of them in hazmat suits.
Oh, who needs all of that? You must be able to do something.
Hell, I assume you can put all those little salt shaker droids to use. I mean, they're already got the plungers and all that.
The Daleks do not plunge! They do not plunge! They do not... Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Yeah, well, ain't gonna do much of good anyway, fine. But let me see here. Jeez, I mean, past the point, that could do any good. We could...
Precisely my point.
All right, well, we could just try to make a multi-spinning vacuum here so you can be maybe set up a little mini pooper scooper while you move around for all this.
What?
I mean, it could take a couple of weeks, but good work.
I am Davros. I am above all this. I do not scoop the poop, as you put it so eloquently.
Look, buddy, you're not going to have much choice here. Unless you want to just go to a new planet and start cleaning.
No, it's new Skaro. It's new sand and rock and dirt and everything. Too much is invested in the galactic mortgage. Tell me, my child.
Oh, my name is Ralph.
Tell me, my child, Ralph. What planet are you from?
Peladon. Why?
And do you know why the Daleks have never invaded Peladon?
Because of the Beast of Agador and our awesome hair.
No, it is because of their awesome plumbing. And if you should fail us in your plumbing duties, that we shall invade and exterminate you all?
Fine! I'll get a team here tomorrow and see what I can do.
Thank you, you're so reasonable.
Boy, our original quote is out the window. Here's our new quote, and we're gonna need a 50% down payment here, right here.
Thank you, I can only see with this eye.
Look over it. We'll need 50% down payment, like I said. So you have yourself a good day, Davros.
What? Parts, labor, yeah, extermination tax, highway robbery. What? How much? No, how cheap.